Welcome to Legal Tip Tuesday. Vince Quatrini from the Quatrini Law Group. Today, we have an important announcement from the Commonwealth Court of Pennsylvania. Medical marijuana is permissibly reimbursed by the insurance company or the employer. Let me restate that. The Commonwealth Court of Pennsylvania on Friday announced that an employer or its workers' compensation carrier must reimburse an injured worker who has a medical marijuana card and is utilizing marijuana in lieu of opioids or some other medical treatment. This is a big deal for the injured workers of Pennsylvania who are trying to avoid the awful consequences of opioid addiction for treating the pain that they're experiencing from a work injury. The Commonwealth Court weighed the different statutes in coming to this conclusion. As you know, on the federal level, marijuana use is prohibited. So the Commonwealth Court had to decide, how do we allow an insurance carrier or an employer to reimburse somebody who's using medical marijuana? They looked at the humanitarian purpose of the Workers' Compact. In other words, look, we need to give the benefit of the doubt to the injured worker who's already suffering from an injury. They looked at the federal statute and they said, this statute is designed to stop the proliferation of opioids and other prohibited drugs, controlled drugs. This is not being used in that way. They aren't selling these drugs on the street. This is for the treatment of a medical condition that has been recognized by a physician, and that physician has given the medical marijuana card to the individual. So when they put all of that together, they decided that the equities were in favor of recognizing that medical marijuana has a place. It has a place in trying to stop the scourge of opioid addiction, and it is not against the federal law for the insurance company or the employer to reimburse the injured worker who has obtained a medical marijuana card. How's that going to happen? Well, that's going to be unraveling as we go forward. The court didn't say what the protocol was or the methodology that's to be used. But as of today, in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, an injured worker has the additional medical modality and treatment of marijuana, medical marijuana, to help them heal and or live with their work injury. Big news in Pennsylvania now. This is Vince Quatrini, Quatrini Law Group, and this is another Legal Tip Tuesday.